Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whosoever takes a false oath in order to snatch the right of a Muslim will meet Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, while Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will be displeased with him." In the meanwhile, Hazrat Ash'as bin Qais came and asked, "What has Abu Abdurrahman Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu narrated?" The people whereupon narrated that hadith. Hazrat Ash'as bin Qais radiyallahu anhu said, "Abu Abdurrahman has spoken the truth. This command has been issued in my favor. I had a partner in a piece of land in Yemen. I came into a conflict with him regarding that piece of land. Before Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, "Do you have a witness?" I submitted, "No." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Then his oath will decide the case." I submitted, "He will take a false oath." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Whosoever takes a false oath so as to devour the property of a Muslim will meet Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, while Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will be annoyed with him." Thereupon this verse was revealed. Translation: those who accept mean price in exchange for their covenant with Allah and their oaths have no portion in the hereafter, painful torment. Surah Al Imran, verse 77. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 353.